Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Gordian knot. Now Patrick Novotny did this for a scarf. I'm going to do it for a tie. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side, this is my right side. I'm going to come over here, I'm going to put a dimple in there. I'm going to bring it over to the center. I'm going to come up and over. Then I'm going to fold it in half, and it'll be folded in half the rest of the way. I'm going to come around. So I'm going to leave it folded. We're going to come around like this. I'm going to come down like this. Then we're gonna pull this out, and then we're going to come through here like this. Like so. I'm going to come around, and I'm going to come around here like this. And down. Then I'm going to come around the top one like this, and I'm going to come through here like this. Then I'm going to come around here like so. And I'm going to pull this loop out, and I'm going to go through it. However I can get it to go through it. And then I'm going to go back around like this. And that's probably all I got. And there we go. The Gordian knot. I know it looks like a heart, but there we go. This is going to be another SimmonsEssentials original. Go to SimmonsEssentials at Instagram and follow me there. And there you have it. Again, own your own style. You're fearfully and wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video. That's what it looks like with all the buttons down. See you in the next video.